The Prophet ﷺ says, when you recite Sūrat al Ikhlāṣ, or let me share you another hadith before this one. Once he asked Sayyidina Ali, he said to Sayyidina Ali, Karramallahu wajhahu, Ya Ali, when you go to bed at night, I want you to recite the entire Qur'an. Sayyidina Ali said, Ya Rasulullah, it's too much. How can I do that before I go to sleep? It's just a few minutes before I sleep away. Prophet said, I'll teach you something now. When you go to bed at night, recite Sūrat al Ikhlāṣ 3 times, and you'll get the blessings of reciting the entire Qur'an. Subhanallah. How long does that take? Qul huwallah 3 times, Sūrat al Ikhlāṣ. A minute or less. But look at the blessings. And I said before, this is a mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that He caused us, that this is the first surah we're memorizing, young babies growing up, we're reciting it, we know it. Blessings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whenever we recite Sūrat al Ikhlāṣ once, we are blessed with 1/3 of the Qur'an. And I want to share with you a story. Some of you ask some questions, sometimes you ask me this question, about the surahs we recite in Jumu'ah. Some of the Sahabas came to the Prophet talking about the Imam of Masjid Quba. You know Masjid Quba, you go to Medina, this is a special masjid. The first masjid the Prophet built when he made Hijrah. If you go there now, you pray 2 rakat, you get the blessings of performing Umrah. Masjid Quba. So they came to the Prophet and said, Ya Rasulullah, the Imam, the masjid, he's always reciting Qul huwallahu ahad in all the salah. Prophet asked him why. He said, Ya Rasulullah, I love this surah. I love this surah. That's why I recite it. And the Prophet said, your love of this surah will grant you the reward of Jannah. Subhanallah. It's not that he didn't know more of the Qur'an. He knew all the Qur'an, but he loved the surah, he's reciting it in the salah. The Prophet said, because you love the surah, you'll go to Jannah. Subhanallah. So memorize the meaning of the surah. I know you all know the Arabic, Qul huwallahu ahad, but memorize it, be fluent with this so you can share it to people.